All right, look at this graph. We are asked to find g of x if g of x is negative f of x plus 3 plus 2. All right, this is going to really put my ability to draw to the test, so wish me luck. It's not going to be pretty. First things first, you have a negative in front of f of x. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to reflect this guy right here over the x-axis. This is called a vertical reflection. So I'm going to try to do this in one picture. Wish me luck. Okay, so far so good. And then it kind of goes like that. And then it kind of goes like that. So I will give myself a little bit of credit. That's not too bad. Now, what we have inside this f of x is plus 3. Plus 3 inside the f of x means we move to the left 3 times, also known as a horizontal translation of negative 3. The reason why I wanted to draw this so accurately in one step is so I could do that here. Move over 1, move over 2, move over 3. 3. There we go. Okay? Still looks pretty decent. I'll probably have to outline it when I'm done, but that's all right. The last thing that I see is this plus 2 hanging out at the end here. Plus 2 means you're going to go up 2. That is called a vertical translation of positive 2. So let me show that. Up 1, up 2, and that right there is what my final picture should look like. Now let me outline it a little bit. Outline it again, make it look prettier. This is supposed to be like a nice little concave up-looking thing. And then it's a straight, sharp line here and a straight, sharp line there. Great. Graph the g of x, done. State the domain of g of x. Well, g of x is going to be everything from negative 8 all the way to 0 and including. So we'll say negative 8 to 0 and including. State the range of g of x. It goes as low as negative 2 and peaks out at 1 and including. So we'll go from negative 2 to positive 1. Find g of negative 2. That means go to negative 2 and see where my g of negative 2 lives, and that appears to line up with regular 1. Find the zeros of g of x. Well, the zeros of g of x seem to be right here, and right here. So that's where my graph, my new graph, crosses the x-axis. So that would be at negative 8, negative 4, and 0. And find the y-intercept of g of x. Just so happens that the y-intercept of g of x is right there, exactly where it was at the origin. So we will say that the y-intercept is the point 0, 0. I hate these problems because I have to draw things and I'm not good at drawing, but you know what? It's okay. Ended up all right. Thanks for watching.